This is my new trade which I took in British pound Canadian dollar, GBP CAD. See, I recently started to see ICT videos where the main focus I'm focusing is in liquidity sweeps. Okay, here we can see a monthly sweep. Okay, monthly sweep, and market is going high. Okay, so we know the market is in uptrend in monthly time frame. So let's go to week, and we can see it's in a clear uptrend also. Okay, so now comes to day time frame. You can see we came to this previous low. You can see we came to this previous low. It will act as a demand. Plus, I thought we will sweep this low. After that, the market will go up. Okay, but what happened is if you go to 4 hours time frame or in a minor time frame 1 hour. Okay, you can clearly see we are sweeping lows. Okay, it's around previous week. We are sweeping lows, not a single candle is closing below. We are sweeping and going up, and we are rallied the market up. Okay, a news came, and it's like a first Friday. So the news came first week Friday. After that, we formed a low here. Okay, at the Friday's low. So what I thought is, so we know I'm going to follow with the liquidities. Okay, so I thought if this low is swept, this previous day is swept, and if you give a market structure shift, I would took a trade. Okay, that was my plan. After that, I went into the minor time frame. Okay, the main simple thing is to be we want to see previous low, previous high. We should take a buy side or sell side liquidity, and we should have a market structure shift with a nice impulsive move, so that I know the market is changing the direction. Okay, this was the previous day low. So we sweep, and if I go to minor time frame, I will show how I entered here. Okay, but I was not confident in this trade because this is my first trade looking in ICT concept. I am a little bit scared whether it will work, so I risked a little bit. But after seeing the momentum, I started to enter more lots. Okay, so you can clearly see now. Okay, we sweep this, and we had a nice impulsive move here. Okay, this is what the main thing we need, that impulsive move. Okay, and this is the last market shift area. This is the last previous low. Okay, lower low, and this is the breaker block. Okay, breaker block and fair value gaps are main to enter the trade, so I stick with it. Okay, you can see in 1 minute also we can see a clear market structure shift in this area also. Let me explain here. Okay, now you can see clearly here we came to that breaker block. Okay, and then it's a 15 minutes order block to here. Okay, and we break the previous high. It's just a market structure shift, and this is my breaker block. Okay, and when market came into this block and gave a bullish engulfing candle, so I thought, okay, the market is bullish and it's pre New York, let me enter trade with bigger lots. Okay, I entered around 0.05 and 0.10 when here comes. Okay, when after seeing this bullish momentum, I entered 0.25, and around this area I entered another lots with 0.2. Okay, like that I scaled in. Okay, because the trade is showing me it is going up. Okay, so I waited. Let me go to higher time frames. Within a single day, not even a single day, from pre New York to the next day London, I cleared my phase 1. That was really shocking. My actual target was this. Okay, my actual target was this two highs. Okay, this two highs, okay, because we are having the London and Asian session highs. It is a nice liquidity area, okay. But after entering into this trade, after seeing the higher time frame how it's forming, if we go to 4 hours time frame, you can clearly see my entry was at this weak area, okay. See, it was the lowest area, okay, and if we see in a higher time frame, we are in a demand, okay. So I thought, let me hold this trade to this higher high, so that let me clear this trade with what I entered, okay. That was my plan. It was in so deep, it was in so cheap, and I took this entry, and the 4 hours structure was so nice. I couldn't close the trades at this sweep, okay. So I let it go to the next area, and it's my exact area to clear my trades, okay. It's around $400, okay. In 5,000 account, 8% you should make, and that's the perfect thing, okay. And I cleared my phase 1. This is my trades I took: 0.05, 0.1, 0.25, 0.2, and another 2 I scaled in, but I closed because of whether the market will come back or not, okay. Another thing I was so seeing that is gave me confidence, okay, like believing in ICT concepts are working, okay. So you can clearly see this is the Asian high, okay. This is the Asian high, and we are sweeping, and we are giving a market structure shift here, okay. This is the market shift area, and we came down, we came back to the breaker, and we started to come down, okay. I thought we are going to go down because in left side we are having a clear supply area, okay. And after this Asian high, after that I thought we will sweep this low maybe. To be frank, I was scared whether to close my trade because I was profited around $320, okay, around this area, 320 to 30. I was scared whether I need to close my trades, but what I really did was I checked for 15 minutes whether we are forming a fair value gap, so that I know in sell sides we are having forming fair value gaps, so that the market can go up and come down for selling, okay. But we couldn't see any fair value gaps here, okay. So I thought the market will sweep here and market will go above here, okay. Not I expected it, but it was happening so soon. I was so happy. I hold it until my take profit, okay. See, you can see the clear difference in this area and this area. We had a clear fair value gap this area after sweeping this, but in this area we didn't create any fair value gaps. So I holded this trade and I took my profit around here. That's how I cleared. But before that, I want to say I failed my FTMO phase 1, okay, because I didn't know how to trade. Next, I started trading funded next account. I cleared my phase 1, okay. Next, I because of greed and I failed my phase 2. After that, I got a job. Luckily, I got a job. It's a night shift, but I got around 18K, okay. With that amount, I thought, let me trade. After getting a job, I thought my trading will also go nicely, okay. I put 5K in normal account, like $50, and I started to trade, okay. Within a week, I busted that 5,000 rupees, $50 account. That was really hard when I see in the perspective of money, because I'm getting 18K and I put my 5K into that. When I see it's my own money, it's really hard to throw that much amount in trading, okay. So I thought to buy prop firm. It's a MAVEN prop firm. It's cheap, but spreads are high, but it's okay. Now I cleared my phase 1 in a single day. That was a change. It was nice.